Good morning, beauties. I did these human hair crochets on my daughter's hair. If you want to know how I completed this step, stay tuned. All right, guys, so today's client is Miss Khloe. Her birthday is in 2 days, so we wanted to do something different. We are starting on pre-parted sectioned hair. And of course, you can make the sections as big as you want to. Here I am showing you the hair. This hair is so light. I actually got it off of Amazon, and I'll drop the link below. But I'm just taking the wrap off the hair, and then you will see the middle part is essentially a thread. So there is a thread in the middle, and then there's human hair on both ends. I wasn't sure how I was going to accomplish connecting it to the end of her hair. So you will see me kind of mess around with that a little bit. But I just put two pieces of hair with the crochet hook, one on the end and one in the middle. And you'll see me do that here. Make sure when you're tying the knot, you are tying it on where the actual thread is. And then after I got it hooked on, little Miss Khloe Bell likes to mess with her hair, so I wanted to make sure I braided it down to make it a little more secure. So that is what I'm doing here. And guys, this style is really so simple to do, and it is really lightweight. So it was a great protective style for Khloe, and that's why we wanted to try it. And I make sure I tie twice. And then, of course, once you start taking your braids down, these will slip right out. So I am about to show you on this section right here a quick close-up. So in the front, I wanted her curls to hang in a certain way. So I went under the braid so that she could have the cute little curls right there in the front. Yep, and see how that falls right perfectly in her face. I'm just showing y'all, you know, the ends of her hair and what I'm doing to hook it on the bottom and braid it down. As you see, looks good. Alright, I got all of the left side done. Just showing you guys my work. We're gonna head to the back. So right here, I'm showing you that I'm using Creamy Nature Twisting Cream to completely seal her ends and get them moisturized so that this will be an actual great protective style. I didn't use any braid gel or anything like that. This was solely just the Creamy Nature Twisting Cream that was braided down on the ends. And so on the last two rows, I did not use two pieces of hair. And also, as I continue to go up, I put two pieces of hair every other section. And when I first did this, you'll see towards the end of the video that it looked really nice, but Khloe wanted it fuller, so I did order um, that third bundle, and we used about not quite half of that. So if you want to try this style, you would, and you want it more fuller, you're going to use at least 2.5 to 3 packs of hair. I was showing where I split the hair on one of the sides and added it to the human, her own hair, to braid it all the way down. Woo! We are finally here. So, as I stated, this is 2 packs of hair. I am gonna go in with the Kaleidoscope styling foam with the Miracle Drops infused and put that on her hair. I also made sure I put it on her scalp since it has the Miracle Drops infused in them. Making sure to bring it on down on those ends. And then I'm using their Platinum Shine by Kaleidoscopes as well. So here, this is the completely finished product. This is 2.5 packs of hair. So as you see how much fuller it is in comparison to that last video. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye.